I love Christmas events.
I got a feeling I'm in trouble when I look at you.
Welcome, MASX talkers. Christmas in Bangkok, where the vibrant culture of Thailand meets the magic of Christmas in a unique celebration like no other.
I got a feeling I'm in trouble when I look at you.
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas!
Today's stop is One Bangkok. One Bangkok is a modern development in the heart of Bangkok. Designed to be a global lifestyle destination blending luxury, business, and culture in one expansive integrated space. The development includes high-end residential areas, office buildings, retail spaces, hotels, and cultural venues, making it a hub for both locals and international visitors. Are you ready for a magical adventure? Let's go!
We are at the new place, new mall. We call the One Bangkok. We're gonna explore this mall for you guys. Let's go.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. If all the things you never show, there are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now,
Oh my god, look at that! That's a big Christmas tree. I love Christmas events. Everything about Christmas is beautiful.
it's getting hard to talk to you, and I'm the only one who speaks. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow.
man, this place is amazing. You're gonna like it if you come here because they have Christmas tree, have fountain, and mini concert at night. So we're gonna go to the next place. Let's go.
Thank you for joining us on this magical Christmas adventure in Bangkok. We hope you loved exploring the city's festive spots and holiday vibes. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more incredible adventures. We'd love to hear from you. Share your favorite holiday destinations or questions in the comments below. Stay tuned. There's more Christmas content coming your way. Become a MASX talker for a chance to win awesome prizes. Wishing you a joyous, magical Christmas filled with love and laughter. MASX out.